Hi everyone, welcome to another session by Civils 360 IAS Academy. We are continuing our session on government schemes. I hope all of you have watched the previous videos. If not, link of the same will be provided in the description box. Do check the questions we are posting on our Telegram group at 7 p.m. and practice those questions and get clear idea of those schemes. Moving on to the session, today we are going to discuss about Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This was a scheme that is launched in 2015 and this is a centrally sponsored scheme, means central government and state government shares the financial burden in 75:25 ratio. That is 75% of the finance is given by center and rest 25 is by state. Now, as I said in the strategy session, we need to know the scheme implementation ministry, right? This scheme is not implemented by a single ministry. It is implemented by Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Shakti and Ministry of Rural Development. Why? We will look into it later. Now the next step is we need to know objectives. What are the objectives of the scheme? This is a scheme that is put forward to solve the issue of lack of irrigation. So, this scheme tried to improve the water access in the farms. Okay. By what ways? By investing more in irrigation. By increasing the cultivable area under irrigation. Presently, there is 45% of net zone area is under irrigation and the scheme aims to expand that area. And the scheme make the water use efficiency through on-farm water management systems. Like this aims to reduce the wastage of water. They built on-farm ponds for irrigating the fields. Another method is use precise irrigation methods like rather than watering with a cup, you use a sprayer. That will improve the efficiency of water usage. Another thing is more drop per crop that we will discuss in the next slide. These three are main initiatives under this Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. That is Har Khet Ko Pani. Khet means farm. So, water for every farm. This scheme ensures water for every farm. That assured irrigation for every farms. Another is per drop more crop. That means if you use a single drop, that should be beneficial for the farm. This focus on micro irrigation methods. Micro irrigation means drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, etc. All those things, just spray the water rather than pouring the water. That is micro irrigation methods, per drop more crop initiative. Another thing is watershed development components. This is to recharge the water resources in a farm. This watershed management is done by Ministry of Rural Development. This per drop more crop initiative is done by Ministry of Agriculture. And this Har Khet Ko Pani is implemented by Ministry of Shakti. That's how three ministries are involved in it. I hope all of you are clear about this much. Now let's solve a question from this. The question is, consider the statement regarding Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This is implemented exclusively by Ministry of Agriculture. Second statement is, per drop more crop component promotes micro irrigation and water saving. Third statement is, one of the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana is to improve on-farm water use efficiency. So, which one is wrong and which one are right? First statement says it is exclusively handled by Ministry of Agriculture. No, right? Ministry of Jal Shakti is involved, Ministry of Rural Development is involved. So, first statement is wrong. Second statement is correct, right? Per drop more crop is for improving or saving water through micro irrigation methods. So, second statement is correct. Third statement is this is to improve on-farm water management system is to improve water efficiency. That is also correct. So, 2 and 3 will be the correct and B will be the answer. One more thing is, in the beginning I said that this was a scheme that introduced in 2015. Then why this is relevant now? First it is implemented from 2015 to 2020 for a 5-year period. And then the government planned to extend it to 2021 to 2026. Another 5 years. And it is going to end in 2026 March. That's why the scheme is relevant here. That's all for the day. Thank you.